What's going on, everyone? Simon Says here with my first video on YouTube. Hope you're all having a fantastic day today. So today I want to give you a quick unboxing and first impressions of a wireless charger that I picked up. This is from a company called Native Union. It's the Drop XL wireless charger watch edition. So as you can see, it's a 3-in-1 charger. It's designed to charge any Qi wireless compatible device, including things like wireless AirPods or wireless headphones in general, but this also has the watch adapter, so it will charge the Apple Watch as well. So I picked this up a couple of weeks ago. It's around 129 UK pounds or around $180, and as you can see on the back we've got Drop XL Watch Edition. It's a wireless charging pad for Qi enabled devices up to 10 watts. Supports iPhone fast charging up to 7.5 watts. So this isn't a MagSafe compatible charger. If you want me to review a MagSafe compatible charger, leave some comments in the down below and I'll see if I can pick one up. But this one is only 7.5 watts. Charges up to 3 devices simultaneously with expanded service, and it has a 1 USB port, which gives you your detachable charging puck. So you can remove the actual watch puck if you don't want that, or if you want to plug something else into it to maybe charge another phone. Silicone tread pattern prevents slipping and overheating, and then it includes a nice generous 6.5 foot cable with genuine leather strap, and as you can see it says made for Apple Watch and then Qi compatible devices. So let's open this up. What I do like about Native Union is they do some really nice presentation. So here we go, move my phone out of the way. And as you can see, as soon as you open it, you get to the actual device itself. Very nice, and it even gives you some areas where you need to put the actual devices as well if you want to charge them. Let me just peel this off. So yeah, feels really nice in the hand, very premium. Nice non-slip surface at the bottom here. And as you can see, we've got the 1 USB, which is designed to put your Apple Watch puck in. It looks like it's a proprietary connector, so it would have been nice to have had a USB, but we'll go with that for now. Looks like there's a couple of LED lights. I don't know if you can see that. Just there and there. And we've got Native Union as well, just imprinted on the side, which is very nice. So that's the actual charger itself. We'll put that to one side. So next we have the Drop XL Wireless Charger Watch Edition. Looks like it's just a general setup guide. Depending on where you're ordering this, you will get your correct adapter. I'm in the UK, so I've got the Type G adapter. I believe it actually comes with all of these. We'll check inside. Yeah, it does. Yeah, what's inside? So that's fantastic. So regardless of where you are, you're going to have your adapter, power supply, and then the watch puck, and then obviously all your specifications and really how to set it up. But we shouldn't need to read that because it's pretty easy to set up. And so here is what we have inside the box. So as you can see, we have all of the connectors. So this is the UK connector that I'll be using. We have your actual wireless puck here for your Apple Watch, which again, as you can see, is just a USB connector, and then the power brick as well. And that's a really nice braided cable as well. That's really nice quality. Like I said, it's a shame it's not a USB Type-C, but we'll just go with that anyway. But for future it'd be nice to see that, because that's a connector that's appearing on a lot more devices now. So as we can see here, we should be able to just plug this in. If I can get this on. Let's give this a go. I'm not very good at these. There we go. So that's the plug there. So let's move this to one side and we will plug this in. and get this going. Like I said, this is just an initial impressions video. I can do a follow-up one if you'd like me to. So let's unpeel this. Let me know in the comments what wireless chargers you have, or even if you even use wireless chargers. I know they're not the quickest in the world, but I find they're really convenient. I have a lot around in the house. So let's just plug this in. Like I said, I'm going to try and pick up a MagSafe adapter. So be sure to subscribe and hit that like button if you like this video and you want to see more tech videos. So let's just plug this in, make sure we've got it plugged in the right way. Yep, that looks like it's all plugged in. So easiest way to test this is I've got my Apple Watch here. So let's plonk this on. And there we go, as you can see that's charging my Apple Watch. And so let's try my phone. I've got my 12 Pro Max here. And there we go, as you can see, that's charging as well. So let's just take that off and put that back on. And as you can see, yep, that's charging fine. And as I said, you can also charge some AirPods as well from there. So let's plonk some of those on. And as you can see, the green light came up as well. So that's my first unboxing and initial impressions of the Native Union Drop XL wireless charger. Let me know if there's anything I've missed and I'll be sure to try and answer them in the comments for you. Other than that, have a great day and I'll see you soon.